Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. How are you doing today? Alhamdulillah. اليوم بإذن الله راح نتناول الصف الثالث والرابع الابتدائي مادة اللغة الإنجليزية. And today inshallah we are going to continue with unit Days and Weather, Rhythms and Sounds. معكم المعلمة سارة الشبيكي ومعنا لغة الإشارة الأستاذ فواز العقيل. As always, it's a pleasure. So, let's review our classroom agreements. Please make sure that you do not come to class hungry. Okay? Also, find a nice, quiet place so that you're ready to listen and learn. Last but not least, please do not forget your We Can 2 book. Have your We Can 2 book with you, a pencil or pen, and a notebook. Okay? So let's go over what we did last time. What did we learn last time? Do you remember last time when we learned how to act out the what do you like talk? Remember, you need to have someone to talk to. You ask a question, and then they answer, and they ask another question. What happens when you ask and they answer, and then you ask again? What happens? You have a conversation, right? You're using the language, okay? Also, we learned to say the days of the week. The day, what day of the week that you like? I like Saturday. You can say, I like Wednesday, or any other day. Also, we talked about why we like this specific day, okay? So let's talk about today's objectives. Inshallah, today we are going to match sounds to letters. We are going to respond to short digital recorded materials. We will use assigned words in context. We will write upper and lowercase letters correctly. And as always, we will use lined paper correctly with headline, baseline, and midline. So, we talked about what day do you like? So now we're taking one step backwards, and let me ask you, what are the days of the week? Do you know the days of the week? Like starting at Sunday. I think you know. Could you tell me? Okay, now we're going to listen together to a chant that will remind us of the days of the week, okay? And this chant is on page 28. Let's listen together.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday comes again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday comes again.
Okay, so boys and girls, when you have a rhythm to certain words and you say them over and over and over again, what happens? Sometimes the song can get stuck in your head, right? So over here, when you say the days of the week with a rhythm, you remember the days of the week, right? So maybe at your own time, you can have fun with the days of the week and come up with your own rhythm, right? Now, we can say each day of the week correctly, right? So we're going to say them correctly, not just chant them. So we're going to continue on page 28. Please listen to the audio, point, and pronounce. Do you know what the word pronounce means? Right, when you say something correctly, this is how when you say something, you pronounce it, right? So when you listen to the days of the week, you're going to repeat, okay, so that you can practice saying them correctly. Ready? So I'm going to put a check next to the day. You can do the same in your book if you want.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Well done.
Okay, so now let me ask you a question. When you say a word, you usually start with a certain sound, right? Like each day of the week has a sound. We have some of the days here that have interesting sounds, either at the beginning or the middle. Does a sound always begin with one letter? It does many times. Sometimes it begins with 2 letters. What day of the week here that begins with 2 letters as one sound? Let's look at the days together. Sunday, this is the sound for Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh, interesting. It starts with a T, but we said th. It's because the word Thursday begins with a TH. This makes the th sound. Excellent. Also, look at the word Wednesday. There's a trick in word Wednesday. What letter do we have over here? That's the letter D. Do we say it when we say Wednesday? No. We write it, but we don't say it. Okay? Now, what are the things that you do every single day of the week? We talked about plans that you do throughout the week. We talked about that, right? Now we're going to talk about the plan that you have during the day. When you wake up until you go to bed, what are the things that you do? Maybe there are some things that you have to do every day. Let's look at some of those things. Oh, before that, let's just revisit. We talked about doing certain things during certain days of the week, right? Playing, going to classes, visiting. Now back to what we were saying. Let's plan for the day. What are the things that you have to do every single day? What do you see? This boy is brushing his teeth. Excellent. And this boy is probably having the most important meal of the day, breakfast. So, maybe brushing your teeth, actually brushing your teeth should be something that you need to do every day. So you can do it when you wake up, before you go to bed. Also, after you wake up and brush your teeth, what do? You have breakfast. So these are 2 things that you do every single day. What other things do you do every day? So here we can see a room that's been played with. They had a lot of fun. After the fun is finished, what do? We clean up after. So maybe cleaning your room is something that you do every day. And let's look at this girl. What is she doing next to her bed? This girl is holding a book in her hand. What is she doing? Reading. Reading before going to sleep can be a habit. Do you know what a habit means? The word habit, right? Habit is something that you do, the one thing that you do repeatedly because you're used to it. This is called a habit. So imagine having a habit of reading every day before going to sleep. That would be amazing, right? Think of the words that would cross your mind and the things that you learn just from reading every night before you go to bed. Okay? So, that was planning for the day. Think about yourself and what you would like to plan for your day. So, we're going now to continue on page 29. Do you like to write or draw in the air? Some people get creative. They can actually make shapes with their bodies. Can you do that? So on page 29, we're going to say the days of the week, and then you're going to make the shape either by writing in the air, making the sound in the air, the first sound, or maybe you can make yourself look like a T maybe, or, whatever you like. So let's begin.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday comes again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday comes again.
So maybe that was a little fast, but it's a challenge, right? Challenge is always fun. So I'm going to say a day, and then you write the letter in the air. You write the letter of the sound in the air. Wednesday. Thursday. T and H. Excellent. Now on page 89, we're going to listen, chant, and trace. Guess what we're going to trace? Did you open the page? Okay. Make sure that you have your books open to page 89. We're going to write the days of the week. Ready? Okay. The whole chant. Let's do this. Sunday. Comma. Monday. Comma. Tuesday. Comma. Wednesday. The D, don't forget the D. Comma. Thursday. We said Thursday again so that we can maintain the rhythm, right? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday comes again. Friday, Friday comes after Thursday. And then we have Saturday. Saturday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Then what happens? The week starts again. Sunday. Sunday comes again. Okay. Did you have a chance to write the whole thing with me? You traced, right? But still, tracing is good practice. Now, I have a question for you. What do you notice at the beginning of every single day of the week? Are the letters uppercase or lowercase? If I was to say, if you noticed in some of the sentences, I like Tuesday. Now the word Tuesday is in the middle of the sentence. Usually, we always put capital letters at the beginning of sentences, right? Now the word Tuesday that comes in the middle of the sentence, the T has to be uppercase. Why do you think? What's your name? My name is Sarah. The first letter of my name is always capital. Now these days of the week, are like names for each day. That's why they have to be in uppercase. Clear? Okay. Now, on pages 89 and 90, we will listen, point, and practice. We will trace and write uppercase and lowercase letters. So we stopped at, here we have the letter M. Uppercase M. Lowercase m. Uppercase letters always stand on the line. Let's do this again. Lowercase m. Uppercase m. Lowercase m. Excellent. And then we have the letter N. N. As in nest. What day of the week starts with the letter M? What day? Monday. Excellent. So we did M, N, O, uppercase, lowercase. Uppercase O, lowercase o. The difference is size, right? Both stand on the line. Now let's look at this letter, letter P. What do we notice about uppercase P and lowercase p? Uppercase P stands on the line, lowercase p goes below the line. Excellent. So did you have a chance to write and trace? Did you notice the difference between uppercase and lowercase letters? Okay, excellent job. Now, please complete pages 89 and 90 if you didn't have a chance to do them with me. What did we learn today, boys and girls? We chanted the days of the week. You can come up with any rhythm you like and then say the days of the week and then say them over and over. You will remember the days just like your name. Okay? Also, what did we learn today? We learned to say the days of the week from Sunday to Saturday with what? Good pronunciation. Remember, the word Wednesday can be a little tricky. It has a D over there, but we don't say it. And the word Thursday has the th sound. We make sure that we say it correctly and, with time, write it correctly, inshallah. All right, now before we end our lesson, let's read this sentence together and look at the pictures. It says here, what you do with your time today might make who you are tomorrow. So we've been talking about days and what you do during your day, what you do during your week. All of this is in the frame of time. The things that you do. If you're a person who loves to draw, you will grow up to be an artist. If you're a person that likes to go out and play, you will grow strong muscles. So think about it at different scales. Let's look at these pictures. Here we can see a boy, right? Standing as if he's standing on the globe. He has this microscope and he has books. Maybe this person, he loves to study and read and he has a certain love for maybe experimenting when he was a little boy. So when he grew up, what he did with his time made who he became when he grew up, maybe. Here we have a girl. Maybe she's thinking to be a doctor one day. So maybe she's reading something about helping others in hospitals, right? And she's a little girl. There's nothing wrong with thinking of what you want to do with your time later. And here we have a boy having a good time playing with a toy airplane. This boy maybe is dreaming of becoming a pilot one day. So think of yourself and what you do during your day. This will add up to when you grow up, inshallah. And that's it for today, boys and girls. Thank you so much. I'll see you again next time, inshallah. See you soon.